x plus y equals 8. X, y equals 64. Y equals 8 minus x. X multiplied 8 minus x equals 64. 8x minus x squared equals 64. X squared minus 8x minus plus 64 equals 0. Discriminate equals b squared minus 4ac minus 8 squared minus 4a 64 equals 0. 64 minus 256 minus 192 x1 2 equals minus b plus or negative square root of b square over 2a. Minus 4ac. x1 2 equals minus 8 plus or negative square root 192 minus over 2. x1 2 equals 8 plus or negative minus 1 multiplied square root of 64 square root of 3 over 2. x1 2 equals 8 plus or minus 8I root of 3 over 2 equals 4 plus or minus 4I root of 3. X plus y equals 8 y y equals 8 minus x1 y1 equals 4 plus 4I root of 3 minus 8 y1 4 minus 4I root of 3 y2 8 minus 4 minus 4I root of 3 y2 equals 4 plus 4I 3 root of 3. Four plus 4I root of 3 4 minus 4I root of 3.